Nice afternoon, a beautiful afternoon to fly at the field here. A lot of snow on it, so we're going to belly land the Habu SS 50. All the control, let's see, rudder, elevator, aileron suite are good to go. So here we go. Got a little bit of crosswind takeoff basically in that direction. So much wind I decided to put an elastic on the hatch. I don't want it to fly away. So here we go. Try to get back across the runway so I'm looking at the plane. In the sky. 2
minutes.
Flying on a 2200 3S in this plane. Oh. Windy enough. I don't think it was really worth trying to do any loops or rolls.
30 seconds.
Probably got 2 more laps around the field here.
20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, on time. We're going to bring her down. A little bit floaty, so I may have to go around again to slow it down enough. Yep. There we go. Definitely floating. Well, let's go around again. Take it out a little bit further. Turn into the wind. And bring her down a little lower. Well, I have to go around again. I'm running out of runway again. Alright. We're looking for a slow approach. That wind is really keeping her moving. I'm not quite coming down into the wind as much as I'd like to be able to. There we go. Beautiful landing, very smooth,
Disarm.
great plane. I'll have to go get it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.